Hello everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I'm going to call this friend mail, as well as some stuff I purchased from crafts from Tereasa, because there is stuff in here I don't know. A little bang. And so, let's see. Alright. We'll discuss these first, and then I'll grab one. Alright. I think this is the little game she was talking about. She did a puzzle the other day. Oh. It's not. Okay. That's cool. Look at that. It's like a trivet. Oh, that's cool, Tereasa. I like that. She did a puzzle the other day, and she said the pieces aren't stuck, so she sent the kids something else, and I'll figure it out. But look at this. What is this? It's like a little book. It's got the little, like, metal brads. Oh, look at that. Each circle is small. Oh, this is cool. You get smaller and smaller. Oh, that's kind of cool. Look at that. That's cool. That's cool. And then there's these little, like, oh! I know what this is. Duh, Tina. Am I in camera? Did I just do that off camera? I am so sorry. Okay. You have a big circle. We'll do it from the back up. You have a plain piece and another plain piece. I bet you that's the cover. And then you just go like this. And that. And that. And that. And that. And that. And this might be like the cover. And I had a blonde moment, guys. So like, and these, so showing ya. I can get it in. Wow! There we go. So you can turn it. Now that's cool. Oh, I can't wait to do some media on this one. That's a cool little journal. That's cool. So this is that cool trivet. I don't know if I showed in camera, so I'll do it again. I wasn't paying attention to camera. It's like mixed. It's like vintage paper, and it's got green. It might be a checkerboard. Now that I think about it, I betcha. I betcha that's what's in here. Tic-tac-toe. Ha ha. I called it. Oh, they're going to like this. Allie loves tic-tac-toe. That's cool, Tereasa. They're going to love this. Okay, as I was saying, Tereasa did this mixed media puzzle the other day on her channel. I'll have Tereasa's channel linked in the description box. Go check it out. Check her out, guys. She does awesome mixed media. And that's cool. They'll like that. She was going to send it to the kids, my grandkids, and it was going to be a nano thing, except it swelled up and she couldn't get it back together, so she felt bad. She told me this morning, so she said she sent them something else. They'll like that. Allie and I play tic-tac-toe all the time on paper. Let's see. Okay. This is what I bought. Man, there's a lot in this bag, Tereasa. She was showing her Jane Davenports the other day. And I love Jane Davenport. She said she found them at Tuesday morning, and I asked her if she could swing by and pick me up some. She decided she wasn't going to use hers, so I bought them from her. Blueberry, love it. I love these, and they're hard to come by. The red. If I wasn't in the middle of a different project, I might be playing today. And, ooh, watermelon. I don't have a Tuesday morning anymore. My Tuesday morning closed down because once Tereasa said that, I'd have been in finding a ride. And then Fairy Floss, which is like another red. I just got some from Sabrina as well. Fresh Air, it's a blue. And the Berry Berrylicious, babe. One of my favorite mediums are these. So that was cool. I love them. If I can find a deal on them, I buy them. So then I'll have to ask her again what this paper's called, but it's some and how to do it. So she sent me some to try out. So thank you. But I don't remember what I know you can decorate it and heat it up or something. So I'll have to go back and figure that out. I thought you might like these. I never used them, so I'm giving them to you. Oh, look at it. She sent me the Jane Davenport markers. Oh yeah, green, orange, purple, green. Thanks, Tereasa. Like a gold, red, blue, pink, dark blue, silver, and yellow. Oh, definitely. I'll use them. I think I have some of them somewhere. Now that I think about it. Oh, let's see. The bag is my branding. Oh, look at this. It's like, it's got you can make key rings. Oh, they're gonna be cool. I'm gonna make some mixed media key rings. I'm gonna have Scott make some more of these for me. I got the wood. That's easy to cut out. Them are cool. Mixed media key rings. I see some of her art. Ooh, what's this? Get Teresa's mixed media. Ain't that so pretty? Tereasa does mixed media as well. I have a, what do you want to call it? Resin, like pour, that she did inside like a frame. It's red. I love it. It's in my living room. Look at that. So pretty. Oh, look at the fishnet. Art's by Marlene. I love other people's arts. It's so cool. Look at that. Butterfly, the kitty cat. Look at in the tub. Crafting guidelines. Finish what you start. Tidy before you depart. Create from your heart. Oh, that's cool saying. I'm going to cut that. But look at that, guys. Oh, it's decorated on the back. Oh, okay. Okay, you got the little cup with the pen and lips, and it's got pencils, pens, journal, and ruler. Art has no rules. Crafters don't lie. They embellish. Air balloon. New possibilities are waiting. She's got some mixed media and wash tape. Telephone. If you ever need a slightly distracted authentic friend, I'm here for you. Look at the sun. I love the backgrounds. These are all, I think some of these are art by Marlene's background. Oh, look at the flower. This is so cool. I love getting people's art. And their crap. Okay. I gotta make sure I get this back right. There we go. Boom. Thanks, Tereasa. I have a piece over there that's on my area that's from Tereasa. And let's see. She sent me one of her cluster puzzle pieces. Oh, Tracy did an awesome job. Look at. Hey, I colored that pumpkin. That's funny. She used one of my own and I colored for her. Ah, it's awesome, Teresa. Right there. And I think I see another cluster. Yes. I see clusters. Oh my God, you did such an awesome job. Look at guys. I sent her clusters a year ago or something, and she got them out and she started making them this year. Using mine kind of for an example. Oh, look at the little, looks like the little monster from that movie. The button. Is that Seek the Silence of the Night from Spider. And, ooh, another little monster one. Little pumpkin, or jack-o'-lantern, haunted for life, and a little monster. The mesh, the eyelash trim, the button. Oh, look at the spider. Love this. She did a good job. The spider, another spider, a little jam. And, ooh, look at this one. I've got a ghost. She got some eyelash trim, a bottle cap, and then she put a resin piece in the center. 31. That's cool. Oh, she sent me some spiders. Them spiders. I couldn't find any of these, so thank you. Thank you. And okay. I don't know what that is, but there's little, I don't know, I'll have to ask her. Little white, I don't know. I'll have to ask her what that is. But it's little white little pieces. Okay, in a bottle. I'll have to ask her what that's. I don't know. She sent me a medium. I don't know what it is, so I'll have to ask her. And let's see. Last but least, more than what I was expecting. Oh, look at, she sent me some Halloween stickers. Cool. Oh, I got them upside down. A little bat, ghost, zombie, werewolf. And oh, these are cute. There's some puppies. I always enjoy stickers. I got a puppy on top of a puppy. I moved a little bit here. There we go, we'll fix it. So, look at the little puppies. Little bulldogs, I think them are. Cute. Oops, here's another one. Good. I share my stickers with my grandkids. Especially Riley Roo. Riley Roo's my little creator. She has her own little desk. She comes here. She usually sits right outside my craft door because there's no... I'm always in my craft room, so the kids are in and out. So I find Riley a spot in front of my craft room, and I get her little table and her little art caddies down. And matter of fact, I can show you a picture. Yeah, I'm a bragger when it comes to my grandkids, guys. They're a big part of my life. And see, that's Riley Roo right there, right outside my door with her little desk and her little art caddies, and she sits there and creates. And if she wants, I get her easel out, and her easel's in the hallway too, because so many people, they're in and out of my craft room. It was easier to do that. If I had a bigger craft room, Riley'd have her own table. Let's put it that way. Teresa, thank you so much for the extras. I greatly appreciate it. You're going to see a couple future projects. I'm going to have Scott make me a bunch of them. Good Christmas idea. I'll have to ask her what this was, because I'm not sure what that is. So, but thanks. I love your clusters. You did an awesome job. They'll be put aside, and I'll probably put them in use next year, because I'm pretty much kind of done doing Halloween, guys. For the year, I'm working on one of my last projects, and then I'm packing it away so I can get my Christmas out. So I'm going to put them in here. And we'll stick the spiders in there too so I don't lose them. I'll put them with the all Halloween for next year. So thank you so much, Teresa. You did an awesome job on them. I have to ask her again about the paper. Awesome book. Thanks for this. The grandkids are going to love that. What did I do with that bag those were in? Oh, it's right here. Okay, I thought I lost the bag. They'll love that, especially Alley Cat. She loves playing tic-tac-toe. She'll drive me crazy. Man, let's do tic-tac-toe. I think I sit here and play 20, 30 times with her. And sometimes I let her win. Sometimes I make it more challenging. But they'll like that. So I want to thank Crafts by Teresa for the extras. Because all I bought was these. So I will have Crafts by Teresa's channel in the description box below. She just got done doing these awesome masks, which reminded me, as I have the half ones I bought at Hobby Lobby on clearance, and now I have to figure out where in this room they are, because she reminded me of them, and I had plans for them, and I don't know why I never did it. Or I did it and I don't remember what I did with them. Either way, I don't know where they are. But I'm like, yeah, I'm going to have to find them. So thank you so much, Teresa. I can't wait. I have an idea for that already in my head. I'm going to have Scott make me a couple more of these. That'd be awesome little Christmas presents. Or Christmas ornaments, too. And I'll figure out what this is. And if anybody later on in a chat, when I go live, maybe, ask me. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, everybody.